Hello loves, welcome to Uniekmakes by Cristina. If you're new here, welcome. I have an exciting haul to share with you. Now if you love to journal, if you like doing ATCs, this is the video for you. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, I have two little packages that I bought from my favorite shop. This one here will be a surprise at the end, so please watch to the end. You don't want to miss this one. Alright, so the first thing I want to tell you, this shop is called Goodies for Soul, and it's an amazing shop. It has washi tape, it has papers, it has stamps, journals, binders. It got all kinds of stuff, all for your journaling needs, all for your creating ATCs, a few stamping stuff. But it's a really nice site, and the best of all, it's not expensive. But yeah, it is called Goodies for Soul, so that is a site that I like. They do have a YouTube, and they do have I believe TikTok. Yeah, they have both. So I'll put that info in the description below, but let's go ahead and see what I purchased. And I always love how their stuff is wrapped. They always wrap it in a nice little bow, and they do give you the little name hearts. So this is two little orders, but let me show you this one first. And this one is actually a gothic quirky bundle that I purchased, and wait till you see this. Now if you love Halloween like I do, you're gonna really like this. Go ahead and open this. And like I said, they do have bundles on their side. They have all kinds of stuff. Best of all, if you not really a crafter and you want to do ATC, the supplies they have here are worth buying. And if you're a crafter and you do your own ATCs, then this is actually a shortcut, because they even have ATC cards. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is they do send a thank you. So far I think that every package I've had, they do send a thank you gift. Let's see what I got in here. So I did get some like pet tape. Yeah, flower pet tape. Real quick, so take a look at this. And I do know they do lives on TikTok. And the only thing you have to spend is $35 for free shipping. Look at that. You have flowers, roses, with foil. So these flowers have foiling on them. Look at that. So we have some yellow flowers. Beautiful. And then we have them also in pink. How great are they? And they're a good size. You can put them on your journals, even ATCs, cards. But yeah, so I got that was my first free gift. And then my second one is life notes. And this should be post on. Look. Oh yeah. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. That's like a postcard. Let me see. And this, they also, well, I know on TikTok, I don't think they do it on I don't think they do it on YouTube, but on TikTok they do have a ATC challenge that you could join. And they'll give a subject, and then you go ahead and create something with their product. But look at that. This is life notes, and it's like a miniature postcard. That is so pretty. And then these are, I want to say almost like camping, wilderness type PET tape. Really pretty. Yeah, so pretty. Like I said, look at that. So you like PET tape, washi tape, this shop has it too. This shop has a lot. So this bundle that I ordered was a Beetlejuice bundle. I believe it was like 47, I think. But you get all of this, okay? And like I say, they mainly do ATCs, really. But they do have journals and all that stuff on there. Okay, so first thing I want to share is they do have these cutter parts, and look at that, really nice. And I love Beetlejuice. I love the movies. And these you can use on your ATC. But look at that. You get 2 of each. So you get this style, and this is on like a really thick card. It's almost like a really thick. Almost like a chipboard, but not quite that thick. You get that. Beetlejuice stuff there. You get some of those. Really nice. I love these. I got those. So I got those for this. That is so cool. Now these here are all PET tape, and if you look, they do have the little binder holes. They do sell the albums in their shop, which I think I'm going to have to get. Or you can also buy one. But yeah, so this is, like I said, Beetlejuice theme. So you get all of those. Never Trust the Living. And look at a lot of those stuff that you can use. This one's like sentiments. OMG, I love it. Look at that. Like I said, this is mainly for ATCs. But you can easily use it in your journals. And even, well, it's also used for your journaling. But you can use it on other projects. But look at that. And all of these are PET tape. That one. Really nice. That one, and then Strange and Unusual. It's Showtime. Beetlejuice. Really nice. Love it. So when I saw this, I had to get it. Now they do also have clearance items too, so they do mark stuff down. But so nice. I like the, and these sheets, I believe they're $4.50 each. If I'm correct, I think $4.50. Okay, and then these are actually backgrounds. Look at that you use. And so this one comes with, you get a set of 2. So I got all of that, all of this for $47, which is an amazing deal. So I got that. Now let me show you what the surprise is. And then this one also came in with a free item also. And this one, so I got another life notes. And then this one I do have, they're like, I don't want to say anime. Yeah, almost like a heartthrob. This is a Chinese shop, so it is in China. So you will take 2 weeks to receive this. But look at what I got. Alright, so let's look at this package, which I am excited to see, because this is the reason why I went on a shop the first time when I saw this. Now I do have one of these that I have all my ATC cards in there. Okay. Look at this. Wait till you see this. Ching. Look at that. It is here lies Beetlejuice little box. Look at that. How gorgeous is this? Look at that. So I saw this and I had to have it. Now with these are for ATC storage boxes, and you could get them plain, which is empty. Look at that. Look at that. Really, really nice quality. And like I said, I already had one of these already, so that's why I got this one plain. But you can get this plain, which is 35 bucks. Yeah, 35. Yeah, $35. Or they'll fill it out with random colors of ATC cards, and I'll put that image in the corner. But they'll put ATC cards in there, and all you do, and then the cost of this box is $47. And like I said, free shipping at $35. Well, yeah, really, really nice. And they do have binders on some of the old sets, the old boxes that they carry. They do have a matching binder, which my box does have a matching binder, which I am going to order. But yeah, I wanted to share this haul. I wanted to share this shop because I really, really love this shop. It has some of the nicest products on there. They have a lot of different themes, and like I said, even if you're not a crafter and you want, because a lot of us in the paper crafting community, we have challenges and we have swaps, and we always ask for an ATC card, and you don't know how to measure it, or you don't have the time to really cut every piece of paper out for it. They already have the cards for you. Alright, so it's easy peasy. But you know what? They also do sell the cards on Amazon, so I will link that in case you don't want to buy from this shop. I will link those ATC cards also, so you could get them there. And they also have them on Temu too, so you can get those cards almost anywhere. But yeah, that is my haul I want to share with you. I am so excited for this box. And like I said, you do get your free gifts, which I love, love, love. And yeah, you can't, this is a great deal. This is a great deal, and I love it. So leave in a comment below what you think about this haul. If you want to see more of this type of haul, do leave in the comments, because I do shop there quite a bit, and I do have a lot of stuff from there. But yeah, let me know in the comments what would you like to see, or want me to do. I want to hear from you guys. I will link everything below. I will even link the ATC cards on Temu and on Amazon in case you don't want to get it from here. But yeah, with that, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications so you never miss a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.